Hello, I'm Kim V and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my unboxing of my newly purchased YSL tribute shoes. And later, I'll be sharing with you why I still decided to buy this pair of shoes even if this was launched, I believe, in 2009. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you may consider subscribing. I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, practical tips, especially if you are already in your 50s. Plus, I also do some bag reviews. Welcome to my channel. I purchased these shoes last Saturday. In fact, I do not have any plans of buying. I'm just doing my usual window shopping. But then, when I went inside the YSL shop, I found out that the shoes I've been looking for has size 7 and the exact color that I really wanted to buy ever since. So today, I'll be sharing with you the shoes that I bought. Let's do the quick unboxing. This is the certificate of authenticity, which they normally include when you buy a designer item. And in this envelope, this is the extra heel tip. So if in case the tip of your high heels are worn out, then you can replace them. This is the first time that I am buying designer high heels. Since I am already 53 years old, I think and I feel that I deserve this already. So this is how they are packaged. They are wrapped individually in a dust bag. This is our pet, Lexi. I think he likes also my shoes. So these are the YSL Tribute High Heel shoes. It actually took me a while to decide if to buy or not to buy. Not to buy because I already shop a lot this year, especially for designer bags. And I told myself not to shop anymore, especially for high price items. And to buy because when I saw that there is size 7 and normally they replenish their supply or stocks very seldom and they have the color that I've been wanting to get, then I made the decision to buy it. For me, this YSL Tribute shoes is a classic design that combines fashion and comfort. I can say that they are comfortable because I tried it when I attended a party. By the way, I bought this last November 1, but it is only now that I have time to edit this video. Today is December 8. These sandals are stylish enough to make a statement, yet comfortable enough for parties or for days that you want to dress up and to make forma. These are in nude color and made up of 100% calf patent leather. And now let me share with you the reasons why I decided to buy these shoes. Basically, it's like justifying it to myself. Number 1, since I am a petite girl, it adds height without any pain. Even if the height is 4.1, it doesn't hurt because this is platform and the arch is not that really deep. Second, normally when I buy pants, I have it altered because it's very long. But since this is quite high, so there's no need for me to have it altered. Third, it elongates my legs, especially if you are wearing miniskirt or dress, or even if like shorts. And the good thing with this color is that it can be worn in formal occasions or casual because the color is just very basic. Actually, it can match with any other color, be it dark, white, or neutral. So that's why I like this color so much. And also, this makes you look social. I like the patent leather. Later, I'll show you when I wear this with shorts or with pants. so that you get to see how I look wearing these shoes. Another good reason why I decided to buy this is that I realized after pandemic that buying non-leather shoes is not that practical anymore, because after pandemic, like after 2 years, most of my shoes have peeled off because they are not real leather. So now I gravitate towards buying quality products even for other items. So that's it. And now let's do some testing of the shoes. Here I'm wearing it with my long pants. So as mentioned a while ago, I don't need to have a long pants altered for me to be able to wear it. This time I'm wearing it with my shorts and testing it while I am climbing the stairs. And so far, it feels not bad. Okay, so that's what I have for you for today. I just hope that you enjoyed watching my vlog. Till again, this is Queen P saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!